Are you wanting to move to Phoenix? Well, I've got the house for you. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share with you this super cute house in Phoenix. I've been working closely with the homeowners, guiding them, telling them what little repairs and things they need to do to get the house ready for showing. I can't wait to show you all the details. And remember, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. That way you can join the family and know when the next video comes out. It's located at 2024 West Roser Road in Phoenix. It's 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,336 square feet. Wait till you see the kitchen. It's very spacious and the backyard is huge, clean slate, whatever you want to make of it. This is such a great house and it's so affordably priced and it's move-in ready. So if you want more information on this house or any other one, reach out. All my information is below. And thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.